how to change the weather, time, pitch, etc. in FC25. Now, from the main page, the easiest thing is to go into a kickoff and do a classic match, select the side, select the kits, until you get to the last page here, where we can use the bumpers to get to the game settings. Then again use the bumper to come down to match here. And you can see match conditions here. And it's currently set to random, so you won't be able to set any of the different elements that you can change. So come back up to match conditions and change random to custom. Then you'll be able to change the season, the time of day, the weather, the pitch type, the pitch pattern, and many other different elements. So hopefully that helps you out how to change the weather, the time, the pitch, etc. in FC25.